This is Ian, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, and today I'm going to show you how to open a CSV file if you don't have Microsoft Excel. And you can do this for free using Google Sheets. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So we are looking at a CSV file. CSV means comma separated value. Maybe somebody sent it to you as part of work and they say, hey, can you open this up and tell me some information about the data or whatever. We're going to use Google Sheets to open this up because I can't read it right now in a text editor. It's just too confusing. So go to Google Sheets. If you have a Gmail account or YouTube account, you can use Google Sheets for free. If you don't have either one of those types of services like Gmail, then you need to register for a Google account. It's completely free. Basically what you want to do, go to Google Sheets. So you'll go to the checkerboard icon up here, select Sheets. You'll come to a page like this, and then look for a folder icon, open file picker. And then all these items right here, what you want is upload. So I just showed you that CSV file, this one right here. This is located on my hard drive. I'm going to drag it over. And here it is right here. I'm going to drag it right in there. And it will import it, and then it will convert it into Google Sheets, which is a format that you can read. Wouldn't you agree that this is much easier to deal with than something like this? It's the same data. It's just that instead of opening it up in a text file, Google Sheets actually presents it as data that you can read. And you can also do other things with this data too, like print it out, or you can export it, you can make a copy, you can share it. So Google Sheets is really useful for reading CSV files. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it or subscribe on YouTube. And for more information, check the links in the show notes. Thank you so much for watching.